The spin-down sediment filter WD-RPFK serves as an excellent preliminary defense for your home's water system, efficiently reducing the strain on existing filters by trapping sand and other impurities. Equipped with a 50-micron 316L molybdenum alloy filter, this system effectively blocks contaminants like rust and smaller particles, ensuring cleaner water throughout your home. Maintaining the filter is straightforward, thanks to its convenient backwash function that easily flushes out accumulated sediments. Installation is quick and adaptable, with 4 different connection fittings available to suit various plumbing configurations without impacting water pressure. Built with a robust, non-BPA German-made PA12 shell, the filter is engineered to endure high pressures and withstand rigorous testing, demonstrating its durability and reliability. The water-drop spin-down sediment filter WD-RPFK is a long-lasting, efficient solution for those looking to enhance their home's water quality with minimal maintenance.